Hi, my name is Jed Anderson, and I'm excited to tell you about the new feature in SDC 2014 SR1. We're calling it the Advanced Team Delegation, and it allows you to give your team leads a little bit more control over their packages while centralizing some of that important configuration that needs to happen throughout your enterprise. So one of the things we found was that your administrators might need to push out new changes to software across many packages. And in a lot of enterprises, they did that by creating a company-wide template and then telling everybody, hey, copy this template. And so what we have here are two packages, one which is the company-wide template, and then another one which is the development environment for a particular team, which was copied from that template. And so now as the administrator, I'm going to go in and look and see, okay, I've got version 202 of FindBugs, but I know that I just loaded version 203, and that's what I want to push out because we've got a corporate mandate that everyone use the latest version of FindBugs with the latest settings. I've also got some settings in here as well, and I'm going to go and look at the team package, and you'll notice that we've got the settings, but we've got the older version of FindBugs. So how do we propagate that change all throughout the system? Well, that's where Advanced Team Delegation comes into play. And so what we do is we set up the company-wide template as what we're calling a principal package. And that allows other packages to link to it. And then to link to that package, you just use the migration wizard and you just select all the packages you want. In this case, we've only got one, but all the packages that you want to link to that. Now that you've done that, every change that you make to the company-wide template gets propagated into the team package. So I'm going to go ahead and promote my package here, and by doing so, it's going to take on the software from that principal package. So if we go back and look at it, just the software itself, you'll see that the FindBugs is now coming from the principal. It's no longer something that the team lead can control. And so this allows your administrators to centralize, some of that administration. Okay, so let's look on the timeline and see which version of the software is now included, and it happens to be version 202. So now that we've got that set up, we can actually push out changes. So I can come into the company-wide template and switch the version of FindBugs to be use latest, and when I push that out now, that's going to affect both packages. So now SDC is promoting the changes that we're making there, and what we see is that the company-wide template package is going to be built, and then the secondary package, the package that was specifically for a team, is also going to be built and promoted, and that means that your teams will now get that new version of FindBugs. In addition to being able to migrate old packages, you also can create new packages quite easily based off of that existing principal package that you have now. And now any changes that you make to the company-wide template are going to go to both teams. In the meantime, our package had promoted, so let's go back and look and see which version of the software is included, and you'll see now you've got version 203. So that wraps up the demo. It's really quick, but if you have further questions, we'd love to hear from you. Email us at sales@genuitech, and we'd love to start talking to you about the powerful features included in SDC. Thanks.